thing about the Revel is the bed can go up and I can store all my crap underneath.
This is our 8th year with the Winnebago Revel. This is a 2017 Mercedes chassis, and Winnebago converted it to a Revel in 2018. We wanted to go over some of the big questions that come up and have a review.
Yeah, so we bought the Revel after we sold our condo in Savannah, looking for a place to live in North Carolina. The first 21 days were a lot of mistakes, a lot of learning, a lot of finding new things out.
I've always said that I learn the most from my dumb mistakes. I remember when I was so excited the first few times I used it, I forgot to unplug the electric line. And so I drove it maybe 2 miles before some frantic motorist kept pointing to the back, and I looked back and there it was, a snake of a cord rolling around in the road. So Kitty, do you still like the van after 8 years?
Yeah, I definitely like it. I sleep really well in the mattress topper, honestly. It adds another level of comfort to have that there. You know, the shower in the bathroom, it's a little small, honestly, but you know, we've been to a lot of places, a lot of campsites where you stop and they have showers, but most of the time they're a little sketchy, they're a little iffy, so it's nice to have that on board.
So Kitty, another big question we get is, what's it like on a rainy day?
Yeah, honestly, in a rainy day, sometimes it gets pretty cramped in here. I start to go a little stir crazy. You know, Bill can rough it out in the woods when he's camping, but I gotta put my foot down sometimes and say, look, I have to go to a hotel. I have to. You can rough it out here, I can't. So sometimes I have to pretend to get a little bit mad so he knows I'm serious. Yeah, you know, when the weather's good, the Revel is fantastic for us and the 2 dogs. You know, I mean, we've seen up to a family of 4 before living in one of these with 2 teen daughters, if that tells you anything. But it's definitely livable, and they really loved it. Yeah, the Revel is really warm and toasty, especially on cold days, and it's nice to have a warm home base, you know, to set out from, especially when it's cold outside. But we've been in a lot of warm states camping, and the AC is a must when we spend those nights to be comfortable. Yeah, I really like this stove, honestly. It's an induction stove, so it's a little bit different. It doesn't actually get hot here without this special induction pan, but it's really nice to have. The gas heats up right away. You know, I cook a lot of one-pot meals on this, so it's really convenient, and it's nice for the environment. You know, it's easy to clean up, so yeah, I really enjoyed it. Perfect.
There have been recalls over the years, everything from the solar panel screws coming loose and solar panels flying off to plastic fittings on the water tanks busting. So the simple solution is to put some different screws for the solar panels and put brass fittings into the water tank. And that seems to be a good fix for them.
When the weather's good, hold on. Yeah, the Revel is definitely warm and toasty, especially on some of these nights. I'm gonna enter again. Hold on, keep it going. Is it rolling? Or?
It's rolling, but you don't even have to pour it. Just, okay. You know, just here. Let's do that again.
Wait till this people go by.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pretending.
Pretending. Thanks. You pick up your cup too.
Okay, I'll have to